Hi, this is MK Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Trader. This channel is created only for an educational purpose. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. In this channel, I'm going to share my knowledge about technical analysis, that's the price action trading. I'm not responsible for any financial losses. Trading in financial instrument is very risky. Please contact your financial advisor. Welcome to daily market review. That's August 6, 2021. Let us see the directional bias of Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, Friday. Before going to start, please subscribe my YouTube channel MK Trader, hit the like button and share my videos. This is the output chart of Nifty. Here, Nifty, after long time consolidation phase, it breaks the upper range of the boundary, this range. So here, price sitting above this support zone. Is the 16,000 is the support zone. The price traded above 16,281 around this area. So here some consolidation expected in this market. So some consolidation, price might take some pull back to this area around 16,000 area, and then price might turn back to another upside move. In 15 minutes time frame, morning in my Telegram channel, I announced that price might expecting some range here. This is the range. The price break this range, then only we go long. So the same thing happened today. So here, this consolidation, price might back to this upper range of the upper range. So this is the range. So price break above and back to range again. So expecting another the same range might continue again in Nifty. Only if price back to this lower range boundary here, if you find any reversal like this, then this is also good for long. Or else my expectation, price might say may continue this range, and if price break below, then target to the 16,000 area to pull back to complete the pattern here. So expectation is some consolidation in Nifty in 5 minutes time frame. This range breakout is failed here. So this price back to again the same range. So this might be considered like a fake breakout. So again price expecting to the same range here. If price break below this support zone, then wait for pullback and then search for short opportunity. My expectation, price might be tomorrow expecting downside move in Nifty. This is the hourly chart of Bank Nifty. Here hourly chart, Bank Nifty traded in a ascending channel, price facing resistance at the upper leg of the channel. So this is the lower leg. So price find resistance at 36,400 area, 36,400 to 36,300 area. So major support at 34,400 area. So expectation, price might some little pullback to this area, and then again price might going bullish. So expectation, this consolidation, some consolidation, price might try to hit this support area, and if you find any reversal trend like this, then this is very good for long term trading opportunity here. Here this is the 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, price hit the resistance area around over 4 time frame. So price might find some resistance here. So price respect this area. So here I'm going to connect this lower bounces and to draw this one upper bounces. So here price is the flat bottom triangle here. So expectation price might break below and then wait for some correction here. So expectation is price might going bearish for some time to complete the breakout pattern. So here expectation tomorrow, if price break this area support around 35,700 area, if price break below, then wait for pullback and search for short opportunity in Bank Nifty. So expectation is some down move in Bank Nifty, or else if price not break this area, then might be they continue with the ranges in this area around this upper and lower boundary of the triangle pattern. So price might consolidate again. Once this consolidation price break below, then search for short opportunity, or else if price break above this area, then only we look for long opportunity in Bank Nifty. So some correction is expected, might be the range might continue, or might price break below, then search for short opportunity in Bank Nifty. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my Telegram channel. Link given in below description. Have a profitable day.